Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zoom Cloud recordings to edit in Premiere Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the My Account option in the upper right corner. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Recordings tab. Select the Cloud Recordings option to view your recorded meetings. Locate the recording you wish to download. Click on the recording file to open the Details page. In the recording details, you will see several files available for download, including audio and video. To download the video, find the Download button next to the video file. Click the Download button, and the file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded Zoom recording file, usually in MP4 format. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. In Premiere Pro, create a new project by clicking on New Project. Choose a name for your project and set the project settings according to your preference. Once in the project workspace, import your downloaded Zoom recording. To import, go to File and select Import. Browse to your Downloads folder and select the MP4 file you just downloaded. Click Open to import the recording into your project. Your Zoom recording will now appear in the project panel. From here, you can drag the recording onto the timeline for editing. Begin editing your Zoom recording as needed for your project. After finishing your edits, be sure to save your project. To export your edited video, go to File and select Export. Choose Media from the drop-down menu. In the export settings, select the desired format and quality. Finally, click Export to save your edited video. You have now successfully downloaded a Zoom Cloud recording and imported it into Premiere Pro for editing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.